It's a mat that you place your iPhone 8 or iPhone 10 down, and it just starts to charge. It doesn't stop there. You can place your Series 3 Apple Watch down on it, and it starts to charge as well. And you can place your Airpods with the optional new wireless charging case on it, and it starts to charge as well. They all charge.
Do you remember Airpower? That supposedly awesome Apple-designed wireless charging mat, designed to charge the iPhone, Apple Watch, and the Airpods all at the same time, but never saw the light of day? Yeah, after waiting for so long, it's finally about to get launched, alongside the Apple Airpods 2.
Hell, it's about time.
Airpower was supposed to launch in 2018, but here we are in 2019 and still no Airpower. Apparently Apple was having issues with software bugs and overheating, but a recent rumor from Apple's supply chain in China claims the production issues have been resolved and the mass production began on the 24th of January. So this means we can get it sometime this year, but we still don't have a date yet. Hopefully it doesn't exceed this year too. It's expected to be priced at $150 to $200. That's typical fruit company pricing for you, but at least it's not 5 watts. The second iteration of Apple's iconic AirPods is said to be in the works also, and I know we've been hearing that since 2017, but it might actually come to life this year, as reports already claim a new design, improved audio performance, and a new special matte coating like we see in the glass back on the Pixel 3 to enhance grip, which means it will most likely have a black option as well. Reports also claim these second-gen AirPods will have health monitoring features like heart rate monitoring and a somewhat similar battery life to the current model. There is no current launch date for the Airpods 2, but it is expected to launch in the first half of this year, as tipped by famous Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. Meanwhile, MySmartPrice claims that Apple's Airpower wireless charging mat will be thicker than expected and will finally be released in spring this year, alongside the wireless charging case for the first-gen Airpods. So Apple is going to release a standalone wireless charging compatible Airpods case for the first generation Airpods. To think the fruit company wouldn't get any more greedy. Just forget that and release Airpods 2, damn it.
He's right. Do you know that?
What do you guys think would be the best move for Apple? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to talk more in depth about any of these two products. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with friends. And subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech videos like this. And hit the bell icon to get notified when I release another video. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.